The ostriches are the largest bird in the world. They are the only bird that has 2 toes on each foot, and they also have the largest eyes of any land animal, being even bigger than their brain. These huge birds can grow up to 2.8 meters tall and weigh over 200 kilograms. Ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for this by being able to run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Ostriches eat mostly plants, but they will also eat insects, and they are known to swallow pebbles, which help them grind up the food in their gizzard. They live in small groups or pairs and build nests on the ground, where the female will lay her eggs. Instead of the female, the